Hi, I'm Abdullah Yusuf, and before you send this video to Electroboom, just watch the video to the end if you want. I can't really force you to understand what I mean. So yesterday I was messing around with this measuring tape and the fan. So as an abnormal person, what I decided to do is to put or hang the tip of the measuring tape to the fan and see what's gonna happen. And as you can see from the sample video that I hope I don't forget to add, is that it started spinning. So I thought to myself, now we have converted gravitational energy to kinetic energy or spinning motion. So, and then we can even convert the spinning motion to electrical current by winding up coils in the center and then putting magnets around it and then using the spinning motion to spin the magnets and then creating alternate current. It's just like a generator does, but without burning fuel, just my self-confidence. I don't know who wrote that. But I have high self-confidence. I don't know what he's talking about. So I thought to myself again, can't we do this like with magnets instead of mass? And then it turns out that yeah, we can do that. So I started to study biology because my biology final exam is just after a week from now. So after I am done with that, with studying biology, I started to 3D model my idea so I could conceptualize it even better. And after I'm done with that, it started to get late, so I had to go sleep. Of course, I didn't sleep. I started to simulate the idea in my brain to think how it's going to turn up. So instead of using this highly complex with multiple variables that could change example, so I used a simpler example, which is just two magnets in a box, in two boxes, with a car or like two wheels on them. So they would just, in this example, two magnets that are attracting, not repelling as the example of the fan, but attracting, so that they would like move this way. But after I thought about it and simulated it in my brain, I thought about it would, like, there are two forces, one coming this way to because they want to attract, and the other is going to this way. So they are equal, but they are opposite in direction, so they cancel each other out. So what we're supposed to do is that we have to create an imbalance in forces so that one force is greater than the other, so that the movement or the motion is going to be in the direction of that greater force. So in the example of the fan or the car in this case, and to that problem or to create imbalance, there are two solutions. One, we could use a weaker and a stronger magnet, so that the stronger magnet has more force, so that the force or the motion is going to go with the force of the bigger or stronger, in this case, magnet. And the second solution is that we could use something that absorbs energy or force instead of being equal, so that one is going to be less than the other. So there are two things that we could use. One, we could use foam. Two, we could use springs. I prefer springs because we could calculate its force, that the force it can absorb. And second, because just like the cars use springs to absorb some of the energy that when they bump, so that the interior parts won't get damaged as much. So that's like a professional use. So after I thought about all of that, I could slept and then woke up again. I just started to write code instead of studying for my exams, because I think it's way more important for humanity to to work on this project instead of just benefiting myself by studying my exam. Of course, that's a huge lie because I don't want really to study for my exams. So I started to write code, as I said, for calculating the entire forces on acting on the fan and to calculate the movement and the forces of what's gonna happen, hopefully, if there are certain measurements like the forces of the spring constant, and many other things that we have to take in consideration. So after I'm done with this, there's only one thing left to do, which is to try it in the real world. So let's do it. Oh, sheesh. I don't have enough money or the tools to do the experiment. So if you know any YouTuber or scientist that would happily do my experiment, please send this video to them so that humanity could benefit from this. And of course, I'm going to copyright or trademark or get a patent for this experiment or idea because I need money to buy. No, actually, I need money to buy a better laptop because this laptop is gonna die when I do any 3D simulation or 3D modeling or any heavy stuff on it. And second of all, I need money to make better videos and to make experiments and all this good stuff and to buy tools and other stuff. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to watch more videos like this. And also there are many videos that are more like code heavily, such as I don't want to burn things up or spoil these things. And yeah, if you liked my video, please do like it and subscribe. And thank you for listening to me. And yeah, if you like my videos, bruh, this is a single video. And yeah, if you liked my video, please just like it. Or if you want to see more videos like this, because I'm inshallah going to post more videos. Oh my god, please do subscribe to watch the videos, and thank you. I want a life.
إن الله وملائكته يصلون على النبي يا أيها الذين آمنوا صلوا عليه وسلموا تسليماً.